big drama show continues, ladies and gentlemen.
Taking a right hand over the top. That hook landed, and down goes Wolf in a heat.
Oscar De La Hoya tweeted after the fight, nice, the thumbs up emoji, a comeback win, now fight a real fighter, win a belt, I'll consider doing a third fight, hashtag Canelo is your boss.
He talks so much. This is hype today, no Oscar, oh, just come on, forget it.
Anybody who knows anything about boxing knows at worst when Canelo and Triple G met it was 1-1, and Triple G has every reason to believe that it's 2-0. But right now, he's moving on with his life and fighting the best middleweight in the world available to him.
He now gets a chance to become a two-time world middleweight champion, hold a piece of that division, then I think we'll get a war October the 5th at Madison Square Garden.
I'm a little bit scared. This is not game. This is a real fight.